Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho Ong. That's my full name. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, if you can recall the video or reels that I mentioned um, in economics related or part of economics, I was the one who mentioned GNP, or known as Gross National Product, right? Okay, this time it is related to this acronyms or reels in economics also. This time it is called GDP. By the way, GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. I'll repeat. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. GDP. The one I mentioned last time is Gross National Product. This time, Gross Domestic Product, GDP. Okay? This is a paid promotion label. And before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next abbreviations or acronyms related videos related or reels. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good afternoon.